Today, we are mastering how to rewrite any ratio into unit form with absolute ease. Look at this ratio, 2 to 5. It is completely out of balance. But what if we need one of these sides to become exactly 1? How do we change the numbers without breaking the relationship? Let us tackle the first challenge, turning this into the form 1 to n. To make the left side become 1, we use the ultimate math rule: divide any number by itself. 2 divided by 2 gives us exactly 1. But wait. The scale is broken unless we are fair. Whatever we do to the left, we must do to the right. Since we divided the left by 2, we must divide the right side by 2 as well. 5 divided by 2 leaves us with 2.5. Now for the second challenge, changing 2 to 5 into the form n to 1. This time, we want the right side to become 1. Following our logic, we must divide the right side by itself. 5 divided by 5 hits the target. To keep our math perfectly fair, we repeat the operation on the left side. 2 divided by 5 gives us 0.4. Our final balanced ratio is 0.4 to 1. Here is your golden shortcut rule: if you want a 1 on the left, divide both sides by the left number. If you want a 1 on the right, divide both sides by the right number. Simple, logical, and perfectly fair. Mastering math is all about finding the underlying logic. Subscribe to My Brainy Cave for more crystal clear breakdowns that make complex topics simple. See you in the next class.